If Telegram is showing a phone number flood error, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. This issue usually happens when Telegram detects too many login attempts, verification requests, or code requests in a short period of time. The good news is that in most cases, it can be fixed without deleting anything or losing your account. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when a new guide goes live. First, the most important step is to stop requesting login codes immediately. If you keep trying again and again, Telegram can extend the restriction even longer. So the best thing to do is wait 24 hours and give the system time to lift the temporary block. In many cases, this alone is enough to clear the error. While you're waiting, avoid submitting more codes, avoid repeated login attempts, and don't keep refreshing the app over and over. Just let the timer run out. Next, if the error is still there after waiting, try changing your network. This is a very useful fix because sometimes Telegram may be restricting the current IP address or connection you're using. Disconnect from your Wi-Fi, turn off your mobile hotspot, or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. If you are on mobile data, try a different network source instead. The goal is to use a different internet connection so your IP address changes. After switching networks, open Telegram again and try the login process one more time. If that still doesn't solve it, the next step is to contact Telegram support directly. You can send an email explanation to recover@telegram.org and briefly explain that you're getting the phone number flood error and need help regaining access. Be polite, keep your message short, and include the phone number in international format if needed. You can also submit a ticket through the Telegram support page at telegram.org/support. This is a good option if the block continues and you need official assistance from Telegram. Now, if the restriction still refuses to go away, you may need to try a different phone number. If you have another number available, use it to log in and see if Telegram accepts it without the flood error. This can help confirm whether the issue is tied specifically to your primary number. Of course, only do this if you actually own the alternate number and can receive the verification code on it. A few extra tips can also help. Make sure your Telegram app is updated to the latest version. If needed, clear the app cache, restart your phone, and try again after some time has passed. Also, avoid using unofficial Telegram mods or automation tools because they can make login problems worse. So to quickly recap, wait 24 hours, change your network, contact Telegram support, and if necessary, try a different phone number. These are the safest and most effective ways to fix the Telegram phone number flood error. If this video solved your problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.